Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to add Bloxlink bot to Discord. So friends, open your Discord account, choose the top right corner of this option, go to app directory. From this search bar you will see different options. The search right Bloxlink, this is the keyword. You will see this first bot. As you can see here, click this icon. You will see this bot. As you can see here, just click add the app, and then from the add to server, choose any server you want to add. After that, click continue. You will see this page. This is your confirmation Bloxlink verified website. Click authorize, and then just wait from here. Click not robots, and then you will redirect it. As you can see here, this successfully was added. The server added successfully. In this case, all you have to do just complete your verification steps to complete to get all the access on this Discord. As you can see here, what has successfully added this Discord. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.